Greetings everyone. So in today's video, we'll be just doing something that is obvious, simple, and quick to do. I will just show you how to open your Inventor, which is Autodesk Inventor, before you can start any activity. How to set up your Inventor. Let's say, for instance, you have just installed it, and then you're struggling with sorting out things like units and which planes to use and how to choose the correct standard sort of DIN millimeters. So I will be quickly showing you those kind. So you will double click on your Autodesk Inventor, and of course, as you can see, I'm using the latest model, which is 2025. So if your PC can't take the 2025 model, feel free to use maybe the 2023 model, 2024. I think it is still okay. Even if you are using the 2022 model, it's still fine. So after opening your Inventor, you will see something similar to this one, depending on the model of your Inventor. And then in order for you to start drawing, you will just have to forget a bit about everything that is on the screen. Here, this is where you are going to see some of the drawings that you have drawn. But in this case, as you can see, there is nothing unique. There is nothing that I've done so far. So you will go here to new, which is Control N. Left click on new, then it will show you this thing. So in order for you to choose the correct part that you can use for creating the 2D or the 3D object, this is where everything starts. Before I can call it that, this is where everything starts actually. You start by you start by creating a 2D or 3D object. And then when you are done, you will go to assemble. You assemble your part depending on which topic you are covering. So if you are doing assembly, you go to assembly when you're done creating the 2D or 3D objects. And then after that, you will put everything on a drawing paper. I will show you how to work on a drawing paper if I haven't uploaded that video. And then after putting everything on a drawing paper, you can also put it in a sort of a presentation. The presentation is like when you are, maybe let's say you have done something and then you have assembled, you did the assembly of that thing, and then you are trying to show your audience how does it, how did you assemble it, which component is in each part, you see? So that's what you are doing, that's what you will be doing with the presentation. And I think you have a short clip in this channel. You can check on the intro. Yeah, I think you can find it on the intro of this channel. So once you have opened this portion, which is creating a file, you go to here to the part template. You'll open template, and then it will give you EMUS. You will open EMUS, and then you will jump to metric. Then when you get to metric, you see it will give you this part. You see now I have four parts here, which is sheet metal DIN IPT, sheet metal millimeters IPT, and the standard DIN IPT, standard millimeter IPT. And then, of course, you can expand this part from closing the one that is in place, because I don't think I will need it. And then, as you can see, I have a lot of parts here. So on this channel, for the purpose of this channel, we'll be focusing more on standard millimeter IPT, and then even when we are dealing with the assembly, we will be focusing more on the standard, what is it? Standard millimeter. Yes, this one. If you want to use this one, we have to use that one. We'll be focusing also on the standard millimeter, IAM. And then when we are dealing with the drawing paper, we will focus more on the ISO, IDW for the purpose of this channel. And then if you've been instructed to use another drawing paper, which is like maybe GOST, IDW, you can go ahead. And then of course on presentation, we are still going to use the standard millimeter IPN. So when you are creating a 2D with the 2D object, as I mentioned earlier, you use standard millimeter and then you click on create here and wait for your PC to load. As you can see, mine is also, it is still loaded. Let's see, we can see that is, oh wow, that's it. You will see this part, this slide, on this slide you will have the 3D model. Under 3D model, you will have the following features. Excuse me, you will have the following features as you can see. Then if you go to sketch, these are the features that will be available. But some are not available because we haven't started creating the sketch with the 2D way to do. Then under any page that we will be labeling our stuff, we will focus more on these functions when we are dealing with the ISO IDW, which is a drawing paper. And then you can also inspect these tools. Auto Inventor is a software that you can use for a different things. You can draw, you can also use it for things like expressive. That's what other people are using it for. So in this case, the purpose of this channel, because we are focusing on drawing, as we're focusing on drawing, we currently use some other features. So, but if you have a feature that you'd like to know how to use it and you have noticed that we haven't used it for a while, feel free to request for a tutorial on how to use it. And then we'll go back to our tracking model and then here you can see start to the sketch. Use my notes like this. It might be like started with the sketch. And then as you can see if you present the error there, it gives you two options, but the option that will come to use most of the time it will be starting to the sketch. Here we have planes. We have planes, the XY plane and the YZ plane and the XZ plane. So for the purpose of this channel guys or this video, let me just say for this video more specific, we'll be focusing more on the XY plane. XY plane, as you can see, if you are doing something and then put it towards the slide, towards the set, if you can look at your bottom left corner there, we can do something the X or Y, XY plane and extrude it towards the Z. It means maybe the base of that object must be drawn on the XZ plane and then the side must be on the XY plane, meaning most of the objects that you can draw on the XY plane are the objects where you'll be starting with the front side, okay? But you can also use any plane and then rotate it afterwards. You can also use any plane. We have this box here. There is isometric, there is front, there is right, there is top. As you can see, the front is here, meaning this is the X, Y, the X, Y, X, Y. But this side actually, this is the length, and this side to that side. I would say it's, I don't know, right or right now you just call it breadth. And then on your height, your y plane, then I would say x plane. And then as you can see on your length, it's your z plane. So these planes here, they are represented like that. This is your xy plane, which is represented with the front here. This is your YZ plane, which is represented by the right side here. And then this is your XZ plane, which is represented by the top part. So if your object is going to, you want the base to sit here and then you want it to face up, the facing up. You can use the XZ plane, whatever. You can use any plane if you don't want to confuse yourself to get into those kind of selected the XY plane. And then as you can see here, you can see XY plane and everything around it will be coming towards, it will be pointing towards the screen, which is out of the screen actually. And then if you want to go to in the screen inward, you'll extrude it inward. Yes. But if you want it to come out of the screen, you extrude it towards you extrude it towards your face. Yes, towards you actually. So let me just draw anything. Just draw anything with maybe electron. Then let me offset it. As you can see, as I said, this is towards you, which is out from here, going to the side. It's out of the screen. And then from here to the side, it's in. So that's how it works. Then as you can see, this click extrude. And then if it's going to the side, it's going to the side, it's going in one. So for now, you shouldn't worry much about the features on why not. Maybe you already worried on why might not explaining what I just done. We're gonna get into more details on the video. For now, I just showcasing on how to open up the Autodesk Inventor and how you can try to create 2D or create a 2D that so for the purpose of this video, I'd like to cut it here and don't forget to subscribe guys. Thanks for watching. This is CADVentor. Thank you.